In today's video, I'm going to show you how to turn on NFC on your iPhone. NFC or Near Field Communication allows you to make contactless payments, share files, and connect to devices. So let's get started. First, let's clarify that NFC is usually enabled by default on iPhones, so you typically don't need to turn it on manually. However, I'll show you how to check if it's enabled and how to use it. To check your NFC settings, open the Settings app on your iPhone. Scroll down and tap on Wallet and Apple Pay. Here you will see options related to Apple Pay, which uses NFC for contactless payments. If you don't have Apple Pay set up yet, you can add a card here. Just tap on Add Card and follow the prompts. This will ensure that NFC is active for payments. Now let's talk about using NFC to share files or connect to devices. For sharing files with AirDrop or connecting to NFC tags, you don't need to do anything special. Just bring your iPhone close to the NFC enabled device or tag. For example, if you have an NFC tag, just hold your iPhone near it and you should see a notification pop up. Tap it to access the content or action associated with that tag. And that's all there is to it. NFC is super convenient for payments and sharing. If you encounter any issues, make sure your iPhone is updated to the latest iOS version, as updates can enhance functionality.